Hi everybody, I'm Jane, one of the Pure Nails ambassadors. Welcome to the Pure Nail YouTube channel. I'm going to do a little cute ghosty design for you on this one. It's super simple but it looks so cute, so I thought I'd show you how to do it. So we're going to get cracking. I've got my nail. And I'm going to go straight in with my base coat, or if you prefer you can use a rubber base coat, but literally just for the purposes of this I'm going to use my normal one. So base coat on, nice thin layer as always, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Okie dokie, that is cured. So we're going to go in with black now. So I'm literally just going to do 2 coats of black, curing each coat as normal for 30 seconds. Love this black. So pigmented, it's beautiful. It's great for nail art as well, this black. Right, I'm going to give that one 30 seconds. Okay, so we're going to go in with our second coat of black. Obviously using black for a Halloween design. This is such a cute little design and it's so easy to do. It's a great salon. It's great salon nail art, this one, because you can do it pretty quick. There we go. Once you're happy with that, cure him again for 30. Right, now we've got our 2 coats of black all cured. Now we're going to go in. All you're going to need as well for this is French white. And we're going to go in with your base coat again. So for all sort of blooming nail art, so whether it's like the roses, flowers, animal print, anything like that, you don't need to go out and get a separate blooming gel. Base coat is fantastic for this type of thing. So we're going to go in and pop our base coat on. Now with this, you're going to want to put it on a little bit thicker than you would normally, but not mega thick. If you go too thick with the base coat to try and bloom, once you put the gel polish on, it will just sit in the base coat and it won't move as well. So you've got to just have a little play with it. Not massively thick, but a tiny bit thicker than what you would do if you were using it purely as a base coat. Okay, so we've got our base coat on. Leave it wet and just grab your little palette. I'm just going to decant out some French white. You don't need much. I always put too much out. It's just me, but you don't need much. There we go, a little bit of French white. So then what you're going to need is the smallish end of a dotting tool. So for our little ghosties, I want one to go that way and one to go kind of the opposite way. You can do it however you want. You can do 1. I'm going to do 2. That's my cat at the door. You'll have to wait. So we're going to go in. So it's kind of the head. Yeah. Don't have to be perfect because it's a ghost. And then we're going to go down for his little floating. And you can go in a little bit more, just to give the head area a bit more definition. So then we're going to go in. I think I've done them totally the opposite way I said I was going to, but never mind. Go in with another one here, and then like he's floating. These do not have to be perfect. kind of messy. So I want to go a bit further down. Okay, so I'm going to leave them like that, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Right, so we've got our little ghosties, and I'm going to get a tiny bit of black, because at the minute they kind of look like ghosts, but kind of not, if that makes sense. So a tiny bit of black, and we're going to go in again with our dotting tool, and we're going to give him, or them, 2 eyes and a ghosty mouth. So you're going to go in with your dotting tool, you don't need much black, and you kind of just want to go down and again. He's got 2 little eyes and then a ghosty mouth. We'll give him it kind of like going open like that. And same on the other side. Two little eyes. And a little ghosty mouth. There we go. Oh, little ghosties. Now I'm going to cure that again, 30 seconds. Right, that's all cured, and that is literally it. So super easy. So I'm going to just top coat, no white top coat as always. Top coat them so they're all nice and shiny. You could add a bit of glitter on these. All sorts. You could add a few spots of red for some blood. Entirely up to you. You could leave them as they are, little ghosties. Right, and cure that for 30. And there we are. Easy peasy Halloween nail art little ghosties. How cute are they? As always, have a go. Let us know what you think. Post them, tag us. We always like to see the work you guys do. There we have him, little ghosty.